Megaladata facilitates usability of advanced analytics. Visual design makes the analytical process understandable for a wide range of specialists and reduces the time for implementing a business project. Megaladata promotes decision-making based on facts and powerful mathematical tools. One single environment delivers a full spectrum of analytical processes from integration and data preparation to modeling, deployment, and visualization. Moreover, it includes a manifold of algorithms for pre-processing, data munging, and research, including machine learning and data mining methods. Workflow design with drag and drop does not require programming skills from the users. Create your own components and reuse them in other projects. Set up your own SOAP or REST service in less than 1 minute. There are many ways of visualization, including interactive OLAP cube. Ready-made components from Megaladata's applied solutions can be easily adapted to different business areas, reflecting the world's best practices. The platform contains a built-in integration tooling with databases, files, business applications, and web services. Rapid processing of large data sets due to the in-memory technology and parallel computing. The platform can be deployed both as a desktop application or as a web application in a private, public, or hybrid cloud. It allows corporate users to develop fail-safe and highly efficient decision-making systems. Megaladata is a reliable tool in any application area. Advanced analytics at your fingertips.